Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my smart car. I'm going to change the color of the caliper and I'm going to show you on one side they are looking so beautiful. It brings the outlook of my smart car and I'm going to show you how it's easy to do it. And without wasting time, let's get started. This is the front caliper. It's looking so nice. Before it was looking all rusted, and I will show you on the other side. You can see it. It brings the outlook of my smart car. This is the rear tire. The whole drum was looking ugly, rusted, and after doing the color, it looking so beautiful. The smart car looked really nice. The first step to loosen the lug nut. So this one required 15mm socket, and we're going to crank it open. And the same thing, we're going to do it on the back. Once the lug nuts are loose, put your jack and lift the smart car. So once it's lifted, we're going to remove the wheel. Just do it like this a couple times and it will come out. Make sure that you have like a blanket, put it on the floor so driveway don't get dirty. So we're going to use the plastic bag. So we're going to cover the rotor and we're going to let only exposed area will be the caliper. So make sure that we cover any open areas, and at the bottom the blanket is laid out. One tip I wanted to share with you that use high temperature paint on the caliper. Don't use that regular paint like this. So we're going to use this paint. That's the tip I wanted to share with you. This one is 550 degree Fahrenheit, which is 288 degrees centigrade. So now we're going to shake it well and we're going to apply the paint. So once it's nicely covered, now we're going to apply paint. Don't put too much paint, otherwise it will bleed. This is the first coat. Let it dry up. Then we're going to use the second coat later. We let it dry for 15 minutes. Now we're going to do the second coat. And this time we're going to do the heavy coat. So make sure that we paint it on all sides. As you can see, it's nicely coated. So we're going to let it dry now. Once it's fully dried, and we're going to inspect it. If we need more paint anywhere, then we're going to add paint. As you can see, the paint is nicely dried up, and now we're going to remove the plastic. And look at this, already start looking so beautiful. So this is the rear brake, cover it, and now we're going to paint it. This is the first coat, and now we're going to let it dry. After 15 minutes, once it's dried up, the second coat. And that's how you do it. So once it's dried up, now we're going to remove the blanket, and we're going to bring the wheel, and we're going to put the wheel back on. It's looking so beautiful. Before it was looking ugly, rusted. Once it's fully dried, bring the wheel back. The hubcap, put it on and just press it. The front caliper is all done. You've seen it. It was so easy and simple to do it. It didn't took me that long, but it brings the outlook of my smart car. The front looks good, the back looks good. You can use any color. Red, blue, whatever. If you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.